Is your C15 losing power, popping or backfiring, or increased emissions? You may be in need of a camshaft replacement in your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impact to your revenue. Fix your C15 the right way the first time. Install this new camshaft for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. The camshaft plays a big role in whether or not you're getting the power and fuel economy you want, impacting the overall efficiency of your Caterpillar C15. This camshaft is made with billet steel and built to OEM specifications. Then, it's thoroughly tested for proper fit and function, ensuring an excellent finish for your C15. The camshafts we sell are made to go the distance, helping restore horsepower, torque, and improve overall fuel economy that can be lost due to a worn or damaged camshaft, making replacement critical to your Caterpillar C15. It's not just camshafts that can wear or fail. The camshaft bearing supports the camshaft in the engine. Bearing failure can cause extensive damage to your camshaft and other vital parts of your engine. Fortunately for you, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Pick up some new cam bearings to go with your new camshaft and fully protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' selection of valve-trained parts for your diesel engine, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.